Canvas tarps are the go-to choice when you need breathable, heavy-duty protection that lasts. Made from thick cotton and treated for water resistance, they're perfect for covering wood, tools, and equipment outdoors. Canvas tarps are ideal for long-term stationary coverage, keeping air flowing and moisture from building up underneath. Built to be tough, flexible, and reliable in changing conditions. Just remember, these tarps are breathable, not waterproof, perfect for when ventilation matters more than sealing everything in. Treat them with care, store them properly, and they'll serve you for years. Canvas tarps aren't for every job, but for the right job, nothing beats them. Need the right tarp for your next project? Visit tarpsplus.com for custom sizes and expert advice. Durable, dependable, delivered fast. Only at tarpsplus.com.